Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at the new PlayStation 5 3D Pulse headphones. We're going to do an earpad replacement. These are nice and simple and quick, so shouldn't be an issue. Alright, so looking at the earpad, on the back of the earpad you can see that there are these clips. Two at the back, two at the front. You can see the two at the front are short and the two at the back are long. And when you look at the headphones, you can see these. You can see there's a little plastic edge right there, and there's a long space in the way. That's the back, same thing as that one. And you look at the front, and it's the same design, but you can see it is a smaller top here, and then you can still see that little edge right there. So that means that is the front, and the longer side is the back. Right, let's see how we remove it.
Monty says, test your headphones now. Scan the QR code or use the link to sign up and test your headphones.
Alright, taking off the earpads is really simple. All we're going to do is we're going to flip them over, because what we want to do is we want to grip the back of the earpad, because there's more space. So at the front, because the driver is angled, there's barely any space at all at the front to grip it really well. So we're going to go at the back. All you're going to do is grab it with your two fingers and your thumb and hold the headphones, and you're just going to pull. About medium force, pops off no problem. And for the other one, same thing. Be careful of these buttons on the side of the headphone that has the buttons. You don't want to be pushing down on those buttons gripping, so you're going to have to adjust your hand. So I'm going to grip on the side like that, so that I don't ever touch those buttons at all. Alright, so we have the earpads off, and all we want to do is check the left and right sides. You have the R on the right side, obviously, and the left on the left side, obviously. We have the left side here written on the headband, and the right on that side. You want them on the right, correct sides. So let's look at the right side first. All we want to do is, we know that the front is here with the shorter channels where these plastic clips go into. So we're going to basically take the, we'll start on the back actually, it's a little bit easier I think. In my opinion, it's a little bit easier. And you're going to take the little teeth here, and they're the exact width of the channel, so you're just going to try and line them up with that channel. It's hard for me to show it to you, but you can see that they're not on, but I'm sitting them in place. So right now they're in place. All four of those little plastic pieces will be in that channel. And then I'm just going to clip, go around, and yep, that's in. Now we got our left one. We're going to do the same thing. And get the back. And the back's right there. That's sitting in place again. And I'm just going to press. There we go. Simples. If you have any questions, feel free to get in touch and leave a message down below.